thought that we're gonna possibly get to make some more exhibition passes tomorrow during finals, during elimination. So that's that plus. But besides that, truck dialed in a little bit better. Trying to make a pass, see what it does. But he's locked in, ready to go. It's been forever. It's really cold outside, but I think we'll make a decent pass here.
There you are. What are you fucking telling him?
Go for that thing, bro.
Oh, I'm so excited to see what the challenge. Yeah, I see you won. I see you won.
Well, of course you did.
Andy, I'm proud of you, big dog. You handled that really, really well. I'm really proud of you. Let's go check out what he's feeling right now. Oh my lord.
Maybe a little spicy.
You gave him too much.
I just saw it from way out here. It was good. That was a wide.
That's all you got to say? That was a ride?
It's all right. I thought the other one was faster.
We're talking about the fucking massive wheelie you just
How high did it get?
You got out there.
Really? I kind of righted it out a little bit.
You did.
Did it hit hard?
Yeah, it hit the fucking skids. Thank
Oh,
God, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Did it throw a bunch of sparks everywhere?
Yeah.
I love it. Yeah. How high did it get?
They got up there.
Really? Yeah, we need to tone it down just a little bit on the hit.
Oh, you need to adjust the shocks is what you need
God,
to do.
I wish we had another hit. 880, bro.
And tomorrow you got a hit.
Yeah.
Andy's just loving it right now. That's it. Tomorrow, another day of qualifying. Actually, tomorrow is eliminations. We are going to get some passes, so we'll continue on, see if we get this thing dialed down on the hit and get out faster, because the wheelies, yeah, badass. Made great contact, but we don't want that. We want to go fast.
It's like the circus is back.
Alright, so unfortunately Willie had to leave, so I don't really have a tune-up for the truck, but I was able to get in there myself and just kind of tickle the launch a little bit, adjust the suspension, and try to keep the nose down, but also keep him going out straight. So we just want to improve on what happened. We just want to improve on what we did last pass. That's the goal. But so far, it's running good, feeling good. Andy's on top of the world.
Right. No, I'm not.
Why?
Because it act like a fool.
It's not. It's part of the game, bro. You gotta look. The more power it has, the more really. It's not a circus. Anyways, he's about to go. We'll get some more footage. But so far, great event. A lot of fun. Sad that it's not gonna be here anymore. But like I said, we'll sponsor it again next year. So let's get a good pass out of this.
We're just about ready on.
Buddy?
Yeah. Come down pretty hard.
Yeah, I did.
All right. You lost a belt. That's about it.
Perfect.
All right.
Anything leaking?
Nope, no leaks. Will it start up and drive? I know you lost a belt. It's probably a water pump.
I think the cross member swept.
No.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it knocked the
It's
belt.
a frame.
Well, it knocked the belt off the alternator because I think the cross member hit the alternator and like.
No way.
Yeah, dude, it's like.
Oh my
The
god.
steering wheel's like this.
Is it really?
It's kind of like the whole.
Head straight to that fucking wall.
How close did I get to the wall?
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Really?
It's enough for everybody's like, all right, let's get it. Juan, did you have a GoPro on it?
Inside.
Look at the
I
license plate.
Bit the license plate and shit.
Yeah.
Dude, it rode on the roll pan, bro.
But
Look at the roll
It
pan.
picked up the wheels a little bit.
Keep it like that.
hey, that needs to go on the wall.
How fast does it go, bro? The license plate.
This one's a world record.
Did y'all see that from up there?
You really got to invest in front shocks. And I told you these things are not gonna. I don't think these things are just standard.
Yeah, they didn't do shit.
Front shocks and limiters. Like I told them.
Just put it over here in the trailer. You know, I just want to make sure that. I just want to make sure the block's not fucked. The bullet where the skis are.
No,
look at the
there's
bolt.
no way.
Look at the alternator.
Oh, the skis are attached to the front
Yeah.
tube.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bad design.
Well, I mean,
them wrong.
I take back what I said about the skis. I thought they were attached to the
I would
frame.
prefer that to get fucked up in the frame.
True, but you're gonna have to fucking fix it. Like, Then took a little bit of a beating there. It's a combination of touching the keyboard and Andy actually staying in the throttle this time, 100%. But man, that's gonna be the story of this truck. We gotta learn how to tame it from the hole, and this is gonna be something we'll have to fight. So there's a little bit of damage to the front tubular frame that holds the bumper and the headlights. We'll have to take it apart and fix it, but it's nothing major like an engine, you know.
All right.
But it is what it is.
We'll be at the end of the month ready to race.
You heard him. End of the month, ready to race. He wants to go again. So
Every time we come to Tuesday, we fuck up everything we have.
that's part of it, Papi. You gotta learn like that, man. How's he gonna learn? Anyways, we're gonna.
never come to a Texas and not break something.
Yeah, that's true. So anyways, that's it. That's gonna be it for us today. We're gonna go watch some racing, enjoy a little bit of that. We'll be back out hopefully next month. We were planning on taking this truck to the truck event next month. We'll see if Andy can get it together. I'll come over and help you, and we'll go from there. What are we gonna do, Andy?
I gotta do. We gotta fix some wheels.
Take my tag.
No, I'm not saying let's get to work.
Let's get to